60 to 90 TPH, asphalt drum mix plant export. What are drum mix plants? Drum mixing plant is a continuous type of asphalt plant. It does all its process in a continuous manner. Heating of aggregate is done inside a drum. Inside the same drum, mixing with bitumen and filler material takes place. The ready hot mix asphalt is then loaded into silos or waiting trucks. What capacities does Atlas make? We manufacture and export drum mixers in different models and capacities ranging from 20 to 30 TPH, 30 to 45 TPH, 40 to 60 TPH, 60 to 90 TPH, 90 to 120 TPH, 120 to 150 TPH, 150 to 180 TPH. Capacities more than 180 TPH are also available. See loading of MDM50 photos.